Early last year we brought in a whole initiative to remove all single-use plastics from the campus, and we were nearly 90% there with actually getting rid of single-use plastics. And so this was, I guess, a next step for us. So we were looking at how we could get rid of the virgin material to single-use to chuck in a bin methods. And so what we did is we searched the internet, found several of these deposit and return scheme solutions and went, okay, well, let's see if we could actually make that work in DCU. But we wanted to actually make it bigger than DCU, so how could we do it across Dublin altogether? So we tried to get Dublin City Council involved, and so with Dublin City Council we also got Trinity involved. So the individual pays a deposit when they get their coffee cup. They end up with the convenience of a disposable cup, but with the environmental impact of a reusable cup. So they can bring back their cup and drop it back, and so it's washed by the cafe, and then it gets to be reused again, and they get their euro back, or they get a clean cup the next time round. But you can equally swap it between DCU and Trinity and City Centre, or with Dublin City Council offices who are launching at the end of the month as well. What we're hoping for is that this will be a behavioural change. It will change people's attitudes, and it will actually help people move towards a reusable culture. So it's much more of a circular economy idea to actually keep products going around in the system rather than using something once and then chucking it in a bin. So this is a pilot just to demonstrate the business case so that this makes financial sense for all companies to actually take on a deposit and return scheme cup, but also to look at the social acceptability of it. So can we actually get people to make the behavioural change necessary for this scheme to actually work? But the idea would be, once we can demonstrate it across the universities and Dublin City Council, then can we see it go to all coffee shops, not just in Dublin, but it should be all over. But also, does it just have to be coffee cups? Can we look at implementing it across other single-use materials like pizza boxes? Can we get rid of them too? The partnership is a really positive thing, that it is not just an isolated institution, that it is a partnership right across our city of Dublin to show that this is a solution that would work really well in any city.